Hey y'all, it's me, Love Nails Nicole, and I am back today to share with you guys. Actually, I'm going to be doing some swatches. I wanted to fill up my my swatch wheel thingy, get it all done. So I took all the empty swatches I had off of this one, so I can get them all filled in. And then these are polishes that I keep on my nail polish shelf that you guys see me organize, and I want to have them swatched, so if I want to use something on my shelf, I'll have them done. So I'm going to be doing all my L.A. colors today. I'll be doing my show you guys my the metal nail polishes, the mermaid polishes, and some of the gel colors, and the color craze. I'm missing some, my unicorn ones. I don't know what I did with them, but yeah, so I'm gonna swatch these for now, and I want to share that with you guys. And I am using my new tripod. It is so awesome. I love it. I can just like adjust it wherever I need it to go, up, down, and around, and it's just amazing. So far so good. Loving it. So this is my first video with it. So let's see how this works. And I don't have it tightened. Okay. There we go. Okay, I've got my marker out so I can write the names of the polishes on the sticks. I think I'm going to do that first, and then start swatching. So I have them all written out. I'm not that great of a writer, so some are sloppy. I should have wrote on the back of some of them because I didn't have enough room, but I have the polishes all lined up in order of the sticks, so I'll know which is which go with which name. So I have them all around here. I had some extras left, so I might get to these depending on how much time I have. And then I have two more that I'm gonna try to decide on, two more colors I want to do on these two. But I for sure wanted to get these down because these are some that I want to use soon, and I want to kind of see the color of those. So this is what we're going to be swatching. So yeah, let's get started. We're going to start with the LA Colors Metal Sublime is the name. It's pretty. This one I did on something, but I don't think it was one of these, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again. This one is Marvelous. I had to write it on the back because I ran out of room. And it looks crappy, but hey. Very pretty burgundy. This one is really pretty. Wow. Love that color. And I'm just sitting them over to the side on this. Let's see if I can show y'all a little bit. I have a box over here that I'm just putting them on top of to dry. Okay. Alright, Sea Life. This is the Mermaid Magic. This is a shimmer. Oh, this is gorgeous. Some of these are definitely going to need 2 coats. I'm just going to kind of go over them a little thick just to make sure I'm getting the full color, so when I come back to it, it will, you know, be as close to the color as possible. Okay, another Mermaid Magic. This one will be next. This one is Pink Pearl. Most of these are from Family Dollar and Dollar General. Some of the color crate. Oh no, look. I wonder if I can squeeze down hard enough. Come on. Got it. This one I think I used before. I'm not sure if I used it on myself or my mom. This is a beautiful pink color. Pink Pearl. This one is more like a thinner, like glitter, iridescent, it says on there. I think all of these are, aren't they? Yeah. It's more like a thin sheer glitter, I would say. Thin shimmer. Yeah, this is more like a topper, I would say. Probably have to do so many coats to get it thick and to really show up in this orange thickness like that, you know. So, yeah, if I was to use it, I would use it as a topper because it's really thin. Okay. Alright, next up are the gels. This one is Rocking It. Really pretty cream. It's gorgeous. So pretty. I seen this picture on Pinterest, and a girl had her nails polished in a L.A. Colors Color Craze color of purple, and it looked like they used like a matte top coat on top of it, and it was so pretty. If I can find that picture, I will insert it so y'all can see. This one is Vixen. I definitely wanted to swatch all of these pinks that I have so I can see the difference in the shades. Pink's my favorite color. This one is Socialite. Oh, I won't be swatching this one, y'all. Guess I'll be using this one for like a dot cure. So, or I can just get another brush or use another pink brush. So I'm just gonna put broken brush. Put some dots on the top for dot cure, or just use another brush if I want to use it because it's a pretty pink. That one is what, Socialite. So let me see something. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see how this goes. I could use one of these. If I can. Let's see. Whoa. No. This brush is too thick. I'm barely touching it so I can go across it, otherwise it's just gonna wipe all off. Oh, not too bad. I have to clean that off. Okay. Alright. Put that off to the side. This one had no name on it, so I put a dot on it. I put a dot here, and I just put a pink shimmer so I'll remember that it's a pink, and I put the, like right here, there's a code number, so I put that on the back of the stick. I love this one. It's like a bright pink with some shimmer in it. Oh, it's gorgeous. All done swatching all of these colors. Holy crap, that was a lot. But I'm glad that I did it so I can see exactly what the colors look like, which ones look similar, which don't. Here's the ones I had drying on my box. They're all really pretty colors. Now I'm ready to polish my nails a different color. This one is almost similar to this one. Very cute. Oh, and by the way, while I'm speaking of, now when I did my nails in this video with this one, I was saying I dream of Jeannie, but it's I dream of Jeannie, and I was saying it looks like blue jeans. I'm just was so used to saying I Dream a Genie. I kept saying that, but it's Jean Genie, which is why it has that jean color to it. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget, once I hit 1K, I will be having a small giveaway. So you have to be subscribed. Stay subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, all that fun stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys back in the next video. Bye, y'all.